Deep within one of the world's most mysterious forests, strange events have left explorers amazed and scientists searching for answers. Every expedition uncovers something new, yet the greatest secrets of this extraordinary place remain hidden beneath its ancient trees. Around the world, there are forests filled with strange sounds, disappearing animals, unusual plant behavior, and unexplained natural phenomena. While science has uncovered many secrets of nature, some forests continue to challenge researchers with questions that remain unanswered. Today, we're exploring one of the world's most mysterious forests, where every tree seems to hide another mystery, and where reality often feels stranger than fiction. Deep within Romania lies the legendary Hoia Baciu Forest, often called the world's most haunted forest. Covering nearly 300 hectares, this ancient woodland has fascinated scientists, paranormal investigators, and curious travelers for decades. At first glance, it looks like any ordinary forest, but as visitors walk deeper inside, they begin noticing something unusual. Many trees grow in twisted, spiral shapes, bending in impossible directions despite having access to normal sunlight and fertile soil. Botanists have studied these formations for years. While some believe disease, weather conditions, or genetic mutations may explain the unusual growth, none of these theories fully account for why only certain sections of the forest display such dramatic distortions. One of the forest's greatest mysteries is a perfectly circular clearing where almost no vegetation grows. Researchers have taken soil samples, measured radiation levels, and tested for chemical contamination, yet the results have been surprisingly ordinary. The soil appears healthy enough to support plant life, but the clearing remains strangely barren. Scientists have suggested that underground geological conditions or microbial activity may play a role, but no explanation has been universally accepted. This unexplained clearing has become one of the forest's biggest puzzles and continues to attract scientific curiosity. The mystery becomes even more intriguing when people begin sharing their personal experiences. Some visitors report sudden headaches, dizziness, anxiety, nausea, or the overwhelming feeling that someone is watching them. Others claim that electronic devices, cameras, GPS systems, and compasses stop working without warning. While scientists often attribute these experiences to psychological effects, environmental stress, or naturally occurring electromagnetic variations, no single explanation accounts for every reported incident. Controlled experiments have found no consistent evidence of supernatural activity, yet unusual reports continue to emerge year after year. Another fascinating feature is the forest's eerie silence. In many forests around the world, birds, insects, and small mammals create a constant soundtrack of nature. But in certain areas of Hoia Baciu, visitors have reported moments of almost complete silence, where even the wind seems to disappear. Ecologists explain that animal activity naturally changes throughout the day and across seasons, while dense vegetation can absorb sound in unexpected ways. However, the unusual atmosphere of silence continues to fuel speculation among both researchers and visitors. Over the years, advanced technologies have been brought into the forest to search for answers. Scientists have used drones, infrared cameras, thermal imaging systems, electromagnetic sensors, and environmental monitoring equipment to collect data. These studies have revealed small environmental fluctuations, but nothing extraordinary enough to explain all the stories associated with the forest. This highlights an important truth about science. Not having a complete explanation today doesn't mean a phenomenon is supernatural. It simply means more research is needed. Interestingly, Hoia Baciu is not the only mysterious forest on Earth. Japan's Aokigahara Forest, often called the Sea of Trees, is known for its dense volcanic rock that can interfere with compass readings in some areas. North America's Great Smoky Mountains contain ancient forests filled with unique ecosystems and unexplained biological diversity. The Amazon rainforest still hides thousands of undiscovered species, while Madagascar's forests continue revealing plants and animals never before seen by science. These examples remind us that forests remain among the least understood ecosystems on our planet, with countless discoveries still waiting beneath their canopies. When comparing these forests, an interesting pattern emerges. The Amazon's mysteries come from its incredible biodiversity. Aokigahara's unusual navigation problems are linked to volcanic geology. The Great Smoky Mountains amaze scientists with their extraordinary ecological complexity. But Hoia Baciu stands apart because its mysteries combine unusual tree formations, unexplained barren ground, strange human experiences, and decades of eyewitness reports, all in a relatively small area. Even though science has proposed possible explanations for individual phenomena, no single theory successfully explains every mystery together. Psychologists also play an important role in understanding places like this. They explain that when people enter a location already famous for mysterious stories, their expectations can influence how they interpret normal events. Shadows appear darker, ordinary sounds seem unusual, and unfamiliar environments naturally increase alertness. This phenomenon, known as expectation bias, may explain some experiences. However, scientists emphasize that psychological effects alone cannot answer every question about the forest's unique environmental characteristics, leaving room for continued investigation. What makes this forest truly fascinating is not the possibility of ghosts or aliens, but the reminder that our planet still holds countless mysteries. Science is constantly evolving. Many natural phenomena once considered impossible were eventually explained through careful observation, improved technology, and years of research. Hoia Baciu may one day reveal all of its secrets, or it may continue challenging scientists for generations to come. Until then, it stands as a powerful reminder that curiosity drives discovery and that nature is often far more mysterious than we imagine. So, is this forest truly unexplained, or are we simply missing pieces of a much larger scientific puzzle? The answer remains uncertain. What we do know is that forests like Hoia Baciu inspire scientists to ask bigger questions, develop better technology, and continue exploring the unknown. Sometimes the greatest mystery isn't hidden inside the forest itself, it's how much we still have to learn about the incredible world around us. If you enjoyed this journey into one of Earth's greatest mysteries, please give this video a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating documentaries about science, nature, history, and the unexplained. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop asking questions.